Today, we will discuss Mainly Search and Algolia. The core purpose of both platforms is to give people extremely relevant search results. This indicates that accuracy and user purpose are given top priority. With the goal of providing search results very instantly, Mainly Search and Algolia are both designed for speed. A satisfying user experience depends on this. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Mainly Search is open source, enabling more customization and self-hosting. Mainly Search utilizes their cloud service or can be self-hosted. A user now has a far greater control over their data. Because it is open source, it provides a great level of customization. Their hosted service has cloud pricing and an open source core. Those expenses are avoided by self-hosting. Algolia is a cloud-based proprietary service. Algolia Managed Cloud-Based Service offers limited customization options within its cloud platform, pricing that scales with usage and is based on the cloud. Having been on the same market for a while, it has a fairly developed and comprehensive feature set. Its possibilities are really sophisticated. All in all, both have strong application programming interfaces or APIs that let programmers include their search features into apps and web pages with ease. The objective of these systems is to enhance the end user experience while conducting data searches. They collect data, index it, and then offer search capabilities for the indexed data.